In this video, we're going to take a further look into the vendor center, specifically Dago lighting. When we go into the edit button, you see all the information and all the additional information that you can put in there. However, when you click on your payments settings tab, it's a little bit more different. The account number is asking for you to put in the account number that you have set up with your actual vendor. Payment terms: when does your vendor expect you to make sure that everything is paid? Print name on check as. Some vendors actually will have what's called a DBA certificate, where their company may be named one thing, but they have a DBA certificate where they want the checks made out to another name. So if you have that situation, you want to make sure that you actually have records as far as what the DBA certificate should be saying. What is your credit limit with that customer? Here we have a $10,000 credit limit. What's going to happen is that if you have accounts payable and it reaches past that $10,000 limit, Quickbooks will pop up with a message to let you know what's happening with it. On the tax settings, one of the things that's required of all business owners is that they consider collecting W-9 forms, and we'll take a look at that later. The purpose of the W-9 form is for you to collect the vendor's tax identification number and if they're eligible for a 1099 at the end of the year. If they're not, then you don't need to have this checked. However, it's always helpful to make sure that you have the vendor tax ID number put in here, as well as a copy of their W-9 form put in. For additional videos such as this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.